We will be announcing the top 3 finalists in no particular order.
You are considered as our semi-finalists. Congratulations, female candidate number 9.
Another finalist, we have female candidate number 5.
You are also given a chance to answer the final question for tonight. Congratulations, female candidate number 3.
Moving on. Our Miss Personal Collection Cervantes is female candidate number 9.
For Mr. Personal Collection Cervantes. Congratulations, male candidate number 3.
May we have representative from Personal Collection Cervantes. And each candidate again will be receiving gift packs from Personal Collection Cervantes.
For our best in production number female, congratulations candidate number 9.
For our Mr. Best in Production number male, congratulations, male candidate number 4.
For best in production number, that is Angeline Godoy. Next award.
Next award, we have the Rum King and the Rum Queen.